Where did your family come from geographically and culturally?
My family comes from Armenia. We are a Caucasian race with Indo-European language. We are the first country who embraced the Christianity. Armenia lies in the Middle East, in the highlands surrounded by the biblical mountain Ararat.
How many generations can you trace in your family's history?
So, in my family it's important to remember our roots. My father told me about 7 generations back from his side. In Armenia we have a book with our family tree. Nowadays I have there around 500 people from my family.
Describe an interesting story from your family's history.
I will tell you a story about my great-grandfather, Balabek, as I said, and his son, Shamiram. So it was a cold winter and Balabek was removing the snow. He called his son to help him. His son went out in the t-shirt and started to work. Balabek said it's cold and he needs to go back and wear something. His son said it's okay, it's not so cold. So Balabek, the 4th time when he said it, he went to the house, he grabbed his son's 1-year-old child and put him gently in the snow. Shamiram just jumped here for his son and asked his father why he had done this. So Balabek said that it doesn't mean how old is Shamiram, he will always be his son and he will always care about him. By telling this story, my father wants me to understand why he is so careful about me.
Would you like to return to Armenia?
Yes, of course, I would like to return there, but now I'm studying in Poland. I appreciate Poland as my second home, but Armenia is my motherland and I will always love it.
How do you feel in our Polish society?
I feel very well. I have many friends and a girlfriend called Katarzyna. I think Polish people are very patriotic, honest and friendly, and Poland is open for new cultures. I don't feel any pressure here and I think you should just come and visit Poland.
Arnak, what's beautiful in Poland?
Landscapes and women.